Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be basically showing you how I created this fall eye makeup look. Just wanted to share this look with you guys and to show you how I achieved it, so you can stick around and check this clip out in the next slide. I am going to be using my Morphe palettes. I might actually be using two. I will list them below. This is 35V and this is 35F. One is Falling to Frost and one is Stunning Vibes. This one is Stunning Vibes, and the colors are super cute, you guys. Let's see what we will create today. Shades are very pigmented. My eyes are already based. On my lower lids. I'm going to be putting another shade over it, so I'm just putting it to get that, you know, effect. Like, this is giving me a nice little pumpkin spice kind of vibe. Nothing too crazy, which I like. That is it for the eyes. That I actually used the Stunning Vibes 35V palette from Morphe, so all the colors I used were only from one palette. So you guys, I did a little bit of stuff off camera. I put lashes on. I outdid myself with these lashes. I wanted to do something out of the ordinary that I've never done before, and I'm telling you, these lashes are crazy. Like, I keep pulling them down, like, are they supposed to be like that? But anyhow, you guys, I just wanted to do something different with this fall look, and I'm gonna go ahead and do a bit more touches to this so that we can complete this look. I'm gonna go in again with the shade that I used in the middle to just go under my waterline. Is that what it's called? I'm just using it under here a little bit, you know. My Becca highlighter. Using this for some time, and it's a highlighter that I absolutely love. So we're just gonna go ahead and blend that out. Yes, honey. Pumpkin spice and everything nice. Hey. Yes, sir. I'm actually feeling this. Look. I think I'm feeling it way too much. I think I'm feeling this look way too much, you guys. Like way too much. I am feeling it. Now I'm actually thinking about, okay, if this look is so fire, like what the hell am I gonna do with my lips? This look is just way too fire. So what the hell am I gonna do with the lips, you guys? Let's finish our highlight. Okay, so we're still highlighting. I'm going for the cheeks now. Ooh. And this highlighter is very pigmented. Always gotta, you know, take it easy when I'm using it, because it will leave you feeling shook it. I'm gonna go down the nose with a little bit of that. So you guys, ooh, I don't know what's going on here, but this is too much fall on one girl. I'm telling you, this is just way too much, and I think I overdid it with these lashes. I overdid it with these lashes. I'm gonna be using this Revlon Kiss Cushion lip tint. I'm trying to keep it real simple. After all that, I really need to keep it real simple. And like this dramatic lashes. Oh yeah, And then I just went in with a little bit of NYX. Let us just finish this look. Let's just put this all together and come back with the final look for this fall eye makeup situation. Like I'll be back, you guys. I'll be back. This is the final look. This is what your girl managed to put together for her fall eye makeup look. For the eyes, I just wanted to do something different, but that is it, you guys. And this is my final look, you guys. Hope you guys liked it. Share in the comment section what you thought of the look. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.